Guys, everyone, and welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday. And today we've got Slingshot Coffee Co. Nitro Flash Brew in a 12-ounce can. Nice.
Flavor?
Nitro is basically the thing. Barista crafted, 150 milligrams of caffeine. So let's look at some of the factoids here. We got ourselves filtered water, organic coffee, Slingshot Nitro Flash Brew. It's rich, creamy, with notes of caramel, baking spices, and dark fruit. So we got ourselves, how many calories?
Calories?
5 calories in this entire can. We got ourselves 1 gram of protein and 180 milligrams of potassium. Wow.
That's an interesting combination.
And 150 milligrams of caffeine. So it's nitro.
Very interesting.
Nitro.
But with the caramel, dark fruit. So
Yeah.
what dark fruit is that when it's gone evil or what?
Yeah, we don't know yet. So anyways.
Batman and
Slingshot, let's
and
see.
the dark fruit.
Okay, it definitely smells like coffee.
I hope it's more of a thick taste than a thick water taste. Hard to get with nitro.
Interesting. It's definitely on the bitter side. And you get a little bit of sweet to it. But
Whoa!
Yep.
Whoa! Yeah.
Bitter, you say?
Well, I definitely know why it's only got 5 calories.
Yeah. Ain't no sweetener.
That'll surprise you.
Yep. Just like 5 wasp stings in the morning.
Yeah.
Woo! On your back. Nice.
Well, that's very interesting. So it's basically got the amount of 2 cups of coffee in there.
2 cups of coffee, yeah.
That's like a 12-ounce can, so yeah, that makes sense. So
Interesting.
it would need to be ice cold for
Yes.
it to be tastier.
Almost need some creamer, honestly.
Yeah, but
Just kind of help pair it with it.
it's only 5 calories. Whoa, you're gonna cut the bus off? Didn't even look at the bus. Wow. I'm not a fan,
Yeah,
but not terrible. It's good for what it is.
exactly. So, if you want a shot of coffee that has 100 milligrams and some potassium, it's not a bad go.
Because it's just a type of cold brew processing.
Yep.
So
It's definitely on the thin side, not the thick, creamy
it's not
that you would be expecting from like Monster or Black Rifle coffee.
yeah,
it's not
a
that.
Monster
Yeah.
Mocha.
This is
It's not
like
espresso.
it's like iced coffee. It's like iced coffee. It's literally what it is.
It's
So
not
just
a stock
Yeah.
coffee that we had.
oh yeah, that was good. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, it's meant to be just a wow.
Quick coffee that's cold.
Right.
Yeah. So interesting. It's definitely interesting.
If it was colder, I would recommend drinking it cold.
Colder. So even colder. So
Yeah.
on the ice.
My
With
thought would
ice.
be- because a cold brew that's gone kind of lukewarm is.
Yeah, not so good.
But if it's ice cold, not too bad. You
Yeah.
can add like a splash of milk or whatever creamer you want, and it tastes. You can make it taste pretty good.
There we
But
go.
that's
Not bad. Not good, but not bad. So, anyways, interesting.
It didn't win any medals.
It does not win any medals. But if you want to try it and see if you'll like it, it's Slingshot Coffee Co.
Yeah.
Nitro Flash Brew.
Glad we tried.
Check it out. So, anyways, fun to try new things.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.